Hi and welcome to my show. It's your host Christopher Charalambous at Sheffield Self-Defense, and we're going to be making this month's recipe. It's going to be a guacamole dish with a couple of sides, which is pretty interesting. So I hope you're going to enjoy this one. It's pretty simple. Anyone can make it. You can use it as a side dish or a starter or your main. It's entirely up to you. So let's start. First, we're going to need 2 avocados. We're going to need sliced pepper. I've got half a bell pepper here. I've got 3 garlic. If you don't like strong garlic, you can change it to 1, 2 if you like. It's entirely up to you. We have omega seeds mixed, sunflower seeds, brown lens seeds and pumpkin seeds in here, and we have hemp seed. I love this stuff. Okay. We also have egg, but if you want to keep it vegan, you can also do it without the egg, and I'm going to show you how. There's going to be a couple of side dishes you're going to be able to do with this to make it a choice instead of having the egg, and also different ways you can dip into the guacamole. So let's get straight to it, and hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna use a fork, mush this avocado, just chop it up. Also mic, so hopefully you guys can hear me much better. Let me know what you think of the quality, because I did get a few complaints that you couldn't hear what I was saying. So hopefully you'll be happier now. I do apologize. We're always trying to improve. Alright, I like that. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to scoop this up into a bowl. Okay, boom. Just put that straight in. I'm so hungry today. I've been to the gym. I've been teaching classes. I was up at like 5 in the morning. It's been a long day. Alright, cool. Need another chopping board. I like to put a towel underneath so it doesn't move. See? Perfect. And now we're going to slice the bell pepper up. Excellent. Now dice it. What I'm going to do is hand on top, point it, and just don't do this. Don't put your thumb here. Hand over. Sometimes I put onion in too, but I don't know. I find with the guacamole a little strong with the onions, so I do it without. It's entirely to you though, whichever you like. So now we're gonna slowly. My hands are clean, so just put that straight in. Now onto the garlic. So with the garlic, all we're gonna do, crush it and then slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Careful with your fingers with the garlic. Look, I do this here, so I'm always going down the sides. I've never ever cut myself this way, and the blade is slightly away too. It's this way. Back to 3. If you don't know, my father was quite famous in Chesterfield for owning North Sea Fish Bar on Whittington Moor. Very famous fish and chip shop in Chesterfield. And that's how he made his living and helped to support us. Now I've gone more the healthy side, although I'll take my hat off to Chester's in Chesterfield because they do nice grilled fish and potatoes instead of frying the chips. So good on you guys. Well done. Put the garlic in there. Yeah. I do like my fish, but I try to stay away from the fried versions. Although every now and again it's okay. So all you're gonna do now is mix the avocado in with your bell pepper and your garlic. I love the smell of fresh garlic. If the avocados are a little bit underripe and the mixture is a little thick, you can add a little bit of olive oil to thin it out. That's fine too. But normally I like my avocados soft but straight out of the fridge so they don't they're not too mushy. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention was we're going to use salad too. So let me go get the salad. So we're going to be using mixed leaf salad. It's just different mixed lettuces. Pretty cool. And it's very tasty. Always looks good when you use mixed salad, mixed leaves. So let's get to it. Let's wash it. I mean, it says it's been cleaned, but I prefer to wash it myself. So we're going to be doing this for 2 people. Half the bag will do. Give it a good wash. Excellent. I'm sure you don't need me to show you how to wash salad. Alright, we have a plate. Make sure it's nice and clean. And all we're going to do is put half the avocado in the middle. Alright, so I like to use a fork because I can design it a little better to make it look prettier. I'm not one for always making my food look pretty, but if you want to impress your guests, so just stroke it around with your fork. Alright, once you've done that, it should look something like this on your plate, in the middle. Alright, so Next comes your salad. Pick up the leaves around the edges. There you go. Alright. So here comes the interesting part. You have a few choices here. You can either if you're not vegan, you can either add eggs, just boil 2 eggs is plenty, slice them in half, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then normally what I do is I add some nuts around here, some cashew nuts or hazelnuts, but I want to keep my plate nice and clean so I can show you what else I do. So you can either use carrots. If you're vegan, you can delete the eggs and use carrots on the side like this. Move these away. And place these on the side and use them as dips to eat your guacamole with. That makes it vegan. Or, even better, we have some tortilla chips, which apparently says they are free from any preservatives, which is what I like. And then you can just add these to the side like that. Good enough. And then let's work on the seeds. So sprinkle your seeds around. Perfect. And now with a hemp seed, I just shake it on like this. Good enough. So, there's your meal. I'll see you at the dinner table. And these, if you're wondering what I'm using these for, are going to be juiced into carrot juice. So, give me a moment, I'll be at the dinner table. See you there. Hi and welcome back. We're here at the dinner table, the food looks great. I've got some olive oil, some of the good stuff. I'm going to put a little bit on my salad. I have to put my finger over it a little bit so it doesn't come out too fast. Drizzle a little bit of that on. There you go. If you want to sprinkle some salt on, you're more than welcome to, but just use a towel. Yeah, if you want to sprinkle some salt on, you're more than welcome to. I've got my glass of carrot juice to health. I've I've been off alcohol for nearly 7 years now and never regret stopping. I have no interest in starting again, and if I'm at a dinner table, a glass of carrot juice, coconut water, anything that is healthy. So, let's see. Fantastic. And if you make a smaller version, it can go as a starter, put on each person's plate. It goes fantastic. It's very healthy and it's high in protein. Has your veg. What more can you ask for? So if you liked the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Each month it's going to be a different recipe. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget, it's important. Make a comment on the bottom too. Great anything. What you don't like, let me know. I'll try and improve it.